All right, welcome back. So today we are going to install a new shock. This is my 2006 Honda Big Ruckus. The shock here has about 27,000 miles on it. I will say overall it seems fine, but I want to update it. So I was able to find a YSS from the Eco line. I had to order this from Germany. I'll definitely make sure to add some links if you're curious which one this is. This is well, there's the part number. I'm not going to read it out, but I'll definitely get a post. This one here, you can get two different styles. I'll show you this one. You can get one that's just totally straight, which works, but then you have this one here. So we got two bolts to take off. I think the last time I did this on my other, I took this whole tray off. Out of pure laziness, I'm going to try and avoid that. I'm going to get this bolt up here off and then this bolt down here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this installed. Should be fairly easy and quick. Yeah, so I ended up having to take that top piece off right there. Just so much more room, makes it so much easier. This bolt right here on this side's a 17, other side's a 14, and then this bolt down here is 14. But yeah, super easy, strong recommend. Again, I'll put in some links. So yeah, as always, like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.